Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So, do you remember what we did yesterday? We discussed the PT1 question paper of maths, isn't it? And hope that it was helpful to you all and you could find out your mistakes. So, children, today we will start with the new chapter. Before that, I would like to ask you one question. I have few things. Can you see this? What are these? These are roses, isn't it? How many roses can you see here? 3. And then I have few more things. 3 pens. But I want to bring all the things together. So if I have to bring all the things together, can you say how many things are here all together now? So for this, children, what you are going to do? You are going to do addition, isn't it? So today we are going to start the new chapter, addition. The objective of the class will be to study, to recall the previous questions, children, and to know what addition is, what the meaning of addition. Addition means what, children? Addition means sum, total, all together, isn't it? These words we use for addition. When we bring all the things together, we say all together. We ask for total. If I ask for total, these are with this we get by doing addition. Am I clear to you all, children? So if as I had 3 roses, 3 pens, I asked you to bring I want to bring all this all together. So what I am going to do? Addition. Okay. So for this, children, one sign is used. This sign, what is this sign called? Plus. What is this sign called? Plus. This plus sign is used in addition. Okay. So let's start the class, children. Today we will do the book work. So take out your book. So children, take out page number 43 of your book. Here it is written, we know how to add 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Let us recall and write and add the numbers of objects in the boxes. Okay, children. So you know how to do the 2-digit addition without regrouping. So where you can see that some of the images are here. We have to count and we have to write the answer below that. Plus we have to add both the side and we have to get the total. So you first count in A. In first box, how many images are there, children? Just count how many are there. There are 17. So you write 17 below that. Plus, next you count 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Down 3. So you get total 11. So 11. And what will be the total? What will be the sum, children? How can you do directly? You know that 7 is in ones place and this 1 is in ones place, isn't it? First we will add the digit in ones place. 7 plus 1. What we get? 8. Children, this is a direct addition, you can try. Then tens place. Here it comes 1 plus 1. What comes? 2. So what you get here? 28. That means, children, total how many faces are there? 28. Am I clear to you all? Next, B. You can see the faces of kids, isn't it? One side is boys and the other side is girls. So how many faces of boys are there, children? Count. You will get 10 faces of boys. And how many faces of girls are there, children? 12. So total how many faces are here? Again, how can you count? Count the digit in ones place. 0 plus 2, you get 2. 1 plus 1, you get 2. So that means total 22 faces are there. Okay. Next, C. Count. Next, again children, there are faces. You can see here. So again you have to count. In first, how many faces are there? There are 12 faces. Plus, then how many faces are there, children? 13. Total, how many faces will be here? Write down the answer in the book, children. 2 plus 3, you get 5. Keep 3 in your mind. Then 4, 5. Then in tens place, 1 plus 1, 2. You get 25. Clear? Then the last one. So again here are some pictures are here, children. So how many are there in first? 21 plus 10. What we are going to do? We are going to find the total sum. So ones place, 1 plus 0, you get 1. Then tens place, 2 plus 1, 3. 31. So this is our total, or we can call sum. So children, you note down this in your book. Today we will do this. In our next class, we'll continue with the next topic. So you can note down this in your book, and children, write down the date, today's date. Okay, don't forget. So thank you so much.